Now we go to install Firebase SDK. To install Firebase SDK with this command npm install Firebase. We go to our project. We install Firebase Angular. Now we have installed Firebase SDK. Now we go to our project in Firebase in google.com. So here we have our project Firebase University, and we go to project overview, and here you have get started by adding Firebase to your app, and you choose web, other icon for mobile app, but for our example we click here. And here we have to create a new connection between our project Angular and Firebase. For example, project Firebase, and create register app. And here we have the information about the connection between our project and Firebase. So we copy this, copy, Ctrl C, and we go to our project, and to our project we are here source, and we have environment. We have two types for environment: development and production. We choose environment, and here we define a new attribute, Firebase, and we paste the information about project Firebase. So we have all project information about connection to Firebase, Ctrl S, and you do the same for production, but production is different because you have two types of project for development and project for production. For example, for production with Firebase, and here you have information about production environment. For this moment we use environment development, and we have information about project information. This is the first steps, and the second steps will import the model of Firebase in our application. So we need to import some model in app model.ts. So app model.ts, and we need to import some model for Firebase. So we do import. We need to import Angular Fire model. We import here, and we need to initialize the application with environment Firebase, the attribute we have created for information about data connection to our project to Firebase. And the second, we need to import other module, here database, and we need to import Angular database module. And the last module is for authentication. So we do import, and here we choose authentication, and we need to import Angular authentication module. So I do a recap. We need from three modules Angular Fire module, and you have to initialize your application with attribute Firebase, and you need a module for database, and you need module for authentication. So for our project we need from these three modules.